Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and the Sasquatch package giving you 35-inch tires on some beadlock rims. You've got the heavy-duty modular front bumper, as well as rock sliders down below, soft top, four-door configuration. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, you've got your swing gate opening up to the side with your full-size spare, and in the back you have plenty of room that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and this compartment here with your jack and some spare room. And you have your door bags because of course the doors are removable and you want to keep them safe. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with marine-grade vinyl. That's not going to let any water in, and you have the rubber floors with drain plugs, so no moisture accumulation there. And in the middle you have USB, USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. And the backs of the seats have MOLLE rigging as well as a mesh pouch, so you can hook some equipment onto there. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. You also have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, very important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And you do have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls spread out across both sides. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your vehicle. Above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, such as your sway bar disconnect, front and rear locking rear differential, or front and rear locking differential, trail turn assist, which is nice for trying to make some tighter turns that will assist you, traction control shutoff, hazards, and you have a mounting point for an accessory rail up here, so if you want to mount like a GoPro up here, you certainly can. And moving down, you have your media controls as well as your camera view, again with your front facing camera, auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off. Then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Down below you have this cubby area with a USB and USB-C, and you have one of your grab handles, which you do also have on either side of the dash for holding on to when you're going over some rougher terrain. And you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, two cup holders, your 4x4 controls, so you have 4 high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, which is like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have, of course, your window and mirror controls because the doors are removable and you still want to be able to control your mirrors. And then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest, lockable because of course the doors are removable, so you want some extra security. You have a removable tray, a ton of room inside, and a 12 volt, so you can plug something in from there. And last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. And I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pg4.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.